Their real beef is with themselves, and it has nothing to do with you. This person has a lot of wounds that have not been dealt with, that have not been looked at, and Spirit wants to convey that whatever's being projected at you, whatever's being thrown at you due to this individual's behavior towards you, it's literally got nothing to do with you. You know, this person needs to look at their own lives, because I feel like they could be comparing themselves to you. They could be very fixated on how you make your money, where do you get your money from, how you are able to afford certain things. Like, there's a heavy fixation on your stability, and possibly for some of you, your relationship, because maybe they feel like they're not making the sort of money that they should be making at this stage in their life. Maybe they feel like their partner's not giving to them, their partner's not committing to them. How come you have a person that wants to invest in you, invest in a relationship with you? How come you have someone that wants to build with you, and they are, you know, I'm hearing the word chasing for a love that doesn't exist in some cases, or they're aligning with certain partners that are clearly stating through their actions that they don't want to commit, they don't want to settle down. This person is waiting. What this person does, I feel, right, they focus on other people's lives because it's easier for them to escape in other people's reality than to look at their own. Then what they may do is they may align with people who are equally as jealous of you as they are, right? And they may try and discuss you, or they may try and, you know, I'm getting various scenarios here. They may try and align with people that are jealous of you so that it makes their jealousy ease, and they have something in common with other people who also are very fixated and envious of your life, you know. And they may also try and intervene in your connections, like your friendship groups. They may try and be a third party in your friendship groups, or any type of group setting. They want to be the star of the show. They want to show you up, put it that way. It's like they want to take from you. This is the type of person that will try and, you know, sleep with your partner to be relevant. And it's coming from a place of lack. It's coming from a place of seeking outside validation, because they see that you validate yourself. They see that other people respect you. And in their view, if they can take something from you, if they can be more popular than you, then that gives them a sense of purpose. They've beaten you because they view you as someone that's very powerful. They are an individual that feels very isolated and alone. You're a person that generally likes your own company, and they struggle to like themselves. And what I feel that this person may do is, like I said before, they may try and push you out of certain situations, because there's a coldness with this person. There's a ruthlessness with this person. This person is chasing love, is what I'm picking up. They're chasing love, and they feel that love is missing from their life. They lack clarity in regards to what to do moving forward with their life, and they are very unbalanced. They don't feel stable. They don't feel balanced. And I also feel as if they view you as having it all. You know, they view you as being popular. They view you as being successful in your career. They view you as being attractive. People like you. People want to be your friend. People want to date you. Like, there's a admiration and a resentment. They resent your light. They resent the fact that you are authentic, and they fight to be authentic. They feel very stuck, and they want you to be stuck too, but that's not happening, because the truth about this person is coming out, and you are moving away from this individual. And Spirit is urging you, like, when you do move towards what you want to go towards, don't let them know. Don't let them know about your love life, because whatever they don't know about, they can't destroy. Because like I said, this person sends a lot of chaos magic your way. I heard a phrase today called chaos demon. This is the actual chaos demon, right? They send a lot of chaos magic your way towards your love life, towards your career, towards, you know, how people view you. You know, they're very, very jealous of you, very jealous of your popularity. They hate the way that you are celebrated. And Spirit is saying, yeah, don't tell them much about what's going on in your life. Do not interact with this person a lot, because we've got the Five of Swords in the reverse and the Seven of Swords in the reverse. Two cards that suggest spiritual attack, and they're in the reverse, which indicates that whatever they have tried to do recently has failed. You are on your way to success. You are on your way to connect with, people that are serious like yourself, partners, business partners, etc.